Each Garrett Vortex includes preset search modes based on your desired targets or your search area. The number of modes available on your Vortex increases as you move from the VX5 up in the series of Vortex detectors. To select a different search mode, simply tap the Mode button to scroll through the options, using the up and down arrows and the plus and minus buttons. Tap Mode again to exit, or wait 20 seconds. Zero discrimination mode detects every type of metal. All discrimination pixels are switched on. No metal targets have been notched out or eliminated. Use zero mode when you wish to find all metal items or when the material of the desired object is unknown. You can also switch to zero discrim mode to help in locating a target when its signal is inconsistent, which could mean a good target is located next to a trash target. Standard mode is perfect for detecting most international coins and for finding all types of jewelry and non-ferrous relics. Recovery speed is set to the default speed, and iron discrimination is set to 27, eliminating many non-desired ferrous items from audible detection. USA Coins mode is designed to find US and similar coins and to eliminate common trash items such as iron, foil, and pull tabs. Be aware that some medium-sized jewelry and non-US coins may be missed with this mode. USA Coins is available in any frequency, and recovery speed is set to the default speed. Vortex's custom mode can be programmed to retain changes made by the user when the detector is switched off. The factory preset for custom mode is the same as the standard mode. Begin with this setup and then make desired alterations to iron discrimination and notch discrim, and they will be saved. Beach mode defaults to operation only in the multi-salt frequency setting and is specifically designed for wet saltwater beaches. Iron discrimination is set to eliminate most common ferrous items from detection. The default recovery speed is 1. Targets in beach mode are displayed on a single-tier target ID scale. Other frequencies, such as multi-frequency, can be used to search dry or freshwater beaches simply by selecting a different search mode. Thin Coins mode provides enhanced detection of targets within a select target ID range, such as gold coins, small Roman coins, and thin hammered coins. Detection is suppressed for common ferrous targets and for highly conductive targets. Recovery speed is set to 2 for faster target separation. Fast mode is ideal for use in competition hunts and for high trash search areas. Detection is suppressed for common ferrous targets. Recovery speed is set to 3 for fastest target separation. When using most Vortex modes, the user is free to select their preferred frequency as well. The only exception is beach mode, which defaults to the multi-salt frequency setting.